Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Srimanya's Crunchworks. So the ingredients are sugar, mango pulp, and milk. Okay. So first thing, what we are going to do is we are going to put this milk in the mango pulp. Stick, and we go. Put it. So, I'll show you how to do it like this. Okay, for mango. Okay, so first you need a piece like this. Okay, what you do first is, so I'll take this. Okay, so first you'll not cut the whole like the peel. Okay, you'll just slightly cut the flesh inside it. Okay, like this. Okay. Next thing what you do is you cut it like this. Okay, opposite. You cut it horizontally. Okay. And the lines can be of your size. Like the boxes can be big, the boxes can be small. I've chosen small. Okay. So once you are done with this, like this, okay, you put it like this. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, but as this is in rectangle shape, it may not look exactly like the same, but make sure you cut it like this in a circle, because circle, it gives more nice effect. So thanks for watching.